Welcome back aliens, my name is Naveen Reddy, and in this video we'll discuss about how do you select a technology for your future. Few years back, it was very easy to select a technology because we were having limited options, right? We were having cloud computing, we were having Android development, we were having web development, and then things were a bit easy. Now, apart from development, we were having testing, we were having the support work, right? So if you are interested in testing, of course, you will go for testing. If you are interested in development, again, in that option, we have, let's say, if you love mobile phones or if you want to work in a consumer market, you may go for Android or web development. If you want to go for the enterprise market, of course, you will work on some advanced frameworks, right? But now, in this year, things are a bit difficult, right? Because we have so many options now, thanks to these new terms like blockchain, machine learning, what to select, right? Now, these two are very hot now, machine learning and blockchain. Most of the people, they are moving towards machine learning because it sounds great. And then people who are not familiar with blockchain, there are certain companies who are promoting blockchain a lot, and that's why people are moving towards that as well. How do you know which is best suited for you? In fact, I get this question a lot of time on YouTube, on Facebook, in fact in mails as well. And it is actually very difficult for me to answer that because I cannot simply say, hey, go for blockchain. I cannot simply say, hey, go for Android, because if it is something is good for me, it may not be good for you, right? Example, if I love blockchain, maybe it will not suit you because I have a different background. I have a different way of thinking towards technology, and you might be having something different. Example, if you are a hardcore Android developer, I cannot simply ask you to go for machine learning. It may not suit you. You can excel in Android itself, right? So how do you select something? Now, to answer this question, we have a very simple sentence, which is be a jack of all and master of one. Because no one can ask you to do something. Example, if someone says, hey, go for machine learning, how do you know it will suit you? So the best option is learn everything, okay? Because we have so many options, right? We have machine learning, we have blockchain, we have cloud computing, we have Android, we have web development, and then there are so many options. So the best way is, if you are a beginner, always start from everything, okay? So learn everything in a small format, okay? Not entire subject or not the entire topic, in a small way. So let's say for 1 week or 15 days, go for Android, okay? Learn Android basics and see if it is clicking you, okay? It may not click you on the same day or in the same week. Maybe after some time, your brain works in that way. So if you consume a lot of data, all these things become fragments, and then after some time, things get connected, So they start connecting dots, and maybe after some time, something will click. So learn Android for 15 days, learn Java for 15 days, learn Python for 15 days. In fact, learning Java, Python and JavaScript is no more a luxury. Earlier time when you used to say, hey, Java, life is set. If you know Android, everything is good. But nowadays, it has become a necessity. Example, if you want to go for machine learning, you should be knowing Python. If you want to go for enterprise market, you should be knowing Java. So why to wait? I will learn Python after 5 years or 1 year. It's very easy, right? So make sure that your basics are clear. Example, the way you learn maths, the way you learn different subjects, learn language like Python, Java, understand networking. So make sure your basics are clear, and then learn all this technology for, let's say, 2 weeks. So spend 2 weeks on Android, spend 2 weeks on machine learning. Of course, you will not learn everything in 2 weeks. You will not even touch the base of it, but at least you will get the gist of it, okay? What exactly the technology is. I've seen people focusing only on one technology. Maybe it's good for them, but after some time, if you feel, hey, something is not getting connected, so what else you have now, right? So if you have options, if you know different technologies, it will be helpful for you to understand which technology to select. The second reason is why you should learn all, at least the basics, is all these technologies are related in some way. Example, maybe in future there will be some application which is based on blockchain and machine learning. Maybe there will be some applications where you have to run your blockchain on cloud, right? So if you know both, it will be advantage for you. Of course, your mastery will be at one place, but if you know the surrounding part, it will be helpful for you to excel in that particular field. Okay, so which one to select is all depend upon you. You need to decide what you want to be in future. So for that, the basic step is learn everything basics. Okay, so if you have options, so take a book. Okay, in that book, just write whatever you want to be. Example, if you want to be an Android developer, if you want to learn blockchain, write everything. Okay, and then to spend time. So of course, you can prioritize it. Let's say I will learn Android first, then I will go for web development, then I will learn about cloud computing, then I will learn about maybe blockchain, or then I will learn about machine learning. So write everything, prioritize it, okay, and then spend time. Maybe you can learn two technologies at the same time, morning, evening. That's your choice, okay. Everyone have their different way of learning, okay. Some people cannot multitask like me, so I have to spend, let's say if I'm working on Python, I will complete the entire Python first, then I will learn blockchain. That's how you have to do. So learn the basics and then it will click. Trust me, it works in that way. You can also talk to people who are into industry, okay. Maybe if you get a chance, LinkedIn is the best place to be. Go to LinkedIn, search for people who are doing machine learning and talk to them, okay. Maybe they will not answer, but some people do. Okay, so you can be thankful to them and then ask them, what exactly you can do after learning machine learning, what projects you can build. So that's how you can select technologies. There are so many options. Don't just believe in one person. If someone says, hey, go for machine learning, go for blockchain, don't do that. Learn everything and then decide one which you want to go for. So I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comment section. And if you have some more questions, let me know so that I can make a separate video on that. So that's it, everyone. Bye-bye.